It is, let's see, it's 7:40 right now. I got up around 7 a.m. I'm meeting McKenna downstairs at 8:15 so we can go bike over to 7-Eleven to get a cup of hot coffee. I did pick up a bottle of Starbucks, which then this morning I was like, oh my gosh, genius. I'll have to get up and bike to 7-Eleven every morning to get coffee. Then I used the microwave and it sort of just started smoking after 15 seconds. I'm either doing something wrong or I need a new microwave. Plan this morning. We have to be ready to go at 9 a.m. Do not be late. That was emphasized so much to us. Do not be late. So we shall not be. I will be telling myself 10 minutes early because knowing me, I won't make it downstairs on time. So we're gonna do orientation. Last night we had a brief mini orientation where we kind of went over house rules as soon as we got in. It was kind of a shock that we were taken out at midnight to go get food and our cash out of our ATM card. Our payment goes through a card when we first get here, and then I think it goes to our direct deposit, but we were able to cash out, and that's our per diem, which is what covers food and travel while we're here. I'm gonna dry my hair. It's the first time I'm styling it since I got this haircut, so we'll see how that goes. Plugs are very limited in the room. There's one spot with a 3-prong plug and it's in the kitchen. Other than that, they're all these 2-prong plugs, which are adaptable to all US plugs, which is really nice, except both of the extension cords that I brought are 3-prong plug. I don't know how I'm gonna get power to the rest of my room. And the only place where there's a 2-prong plug is where the TV is plugged into, which I don't need that TV, so I might just utilize that, but I can't really make the most of that space because there's not a plug. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. Some serious flashbacks to when my hairdryer almost exploded in Portugal, so I'm a little freaked out. I can't find anywhere that says what volt to use with this. Just in case, I'm going to use the 3-prong plug and the extension plug that I have going over here. I'm going to try this volumizing mousse, see if it helps. Oh. Let's see, time check. Okay. 7:45. Let's see if I can be done with this in the next like 10 minutes. Like a quick hair and makeup. I'd love to go downstairs and get to the Wi-Fi really quickly. I'm honestly not sure what's happening, but my eSIM isn't really working, so I gotta figure that out. I do think 10 minutes was very generous with the new haircut. It's okay now. I'm not sure how I feel about the way these layers look right here. I might want to hit it with like a hot tool so it kind of flattens out on the ends a little bit, but I should know how it's going to react with the humidity. It might not be worth to do it this morning. Yeah, I might have to hit this with a hot tool. The story time while I get my makeup on. I went to the hair cuttery, which I know you're going to be like, why would you go to the hair cuttery? Got some great haircuts from there at a very affordable cost. Anyway, I go in and I tell the lady, I'm like, yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with the ends of my hair. Granted, my hair was like down to the bottom of my rib cage. And she goes, yeah, it's really dead. And I was like, okay, let's do just a trim, you know, and just try and get rid of some of this dead stuff. She grabs my hair in the ponytail in the back like this and just dry. My hair was dry. I had just sat down. Like, we hadn't gotten to wash it yet. She hadn't even really touched it yet. I was just taking it out of the ponytail, and this woman straight up just blunt cut my hair across. And I was like, I'm sure it was dead up to a certain point, but like, I was like, it must be longer in the back than what I'm seeing in the front. Because I was seeing this and I was like, but I've been growing out my hair since then because I wanted long hair for my wedding. So I sit there through the appointment, not saying anything, and lo and behold, I come out with a little bob. And then she like argued with me on the cost, which I was like, no, I'm paying the rate I came in here for, which was a cut and a blowout was $42. She was trying to charge me like $58 or something. She said, well, your hair was really long. I was like, yeah, it was. Till you did one slice across and it went away. So it's not like you were dealing with long hair the whole time. Like we hadn't even washed my hair when it was long. Anywho, I think that was my sign. I don't think I'll be going back there again. I was like in such a weird place mentally because I was going in there and then running all the last second errands that I needed to like fly in a couple hours the next morning. I just let it go. I don't know. I think it's just time to go away from there. Anyway, that's the story of the chop I didn't ask for, which I don't mind a chopped hair look. I just did not ask for it. Did not ask for it. I'm excited to get to know everyone. A lot of us kind of found each other online. It's a very small world, so people start to be like, oh, I have a friend that's going to Japan for 3 months. They might be on the same contract as you. Up until last night, I was the only American in the group that we'd found, but McKenna is from Missouri, so I've got another American with me. Otherwise, we got Brits, someone from Turkey, I think 2 Australians. So it's a fun little mix of people. And then, of course, people that come to work for USJ come from all over the world. So there's tons of nationalities represented. Actually, in our lounge downstairs, there's a flag for the country that they're from. So you can really see the global connection that's happening, which is really cool. Should I get a straightener? I really don't know. It's also so thick outside. Like the air is so steamy. My hair will just puff up regardless, no matter what I do. All right, let's head downstairs. Hair's already frozen. How's day one going?
So far so good. We got coffee and this is a large.
So large. Cheers to Japan. Okay, the sugar was good. Yep, I love what my hair is doing right now. It's lovely. It's called bike ride. We just got back from day one. I am drenched in sweat. We biked like from the apartment to the venue, all over. It's as hot as Florida. And like, I'm used to the heat, but I don't bike to work in Florida. I don't wait for ferries outside in Florida. It's like going to the Magic Kingdom all day and just being just soggy. Oh my God, it was so hot. It's been so nice. Everyone's been so kind. We had like a great lunch in the cafe. We got to see the water parade. That was really fun. Everyone that I'm working with is so lovely and from all over the world. So we're just kind of getting to know each other and how we do things. We're gonna go on an IKEA trip here soon. We gotta cozy this space up. It's giving hospital room energy and we're all feeling a little like we're in a jail cell. So we really want to like warm up the space. And we're only here a couple months, so we don't want to get too crazy with stuff, but I'm thinking like a lamp, maybe like a small table, maybe like a soft little rug to put in front of the bed, like just something to kind of make it feel like a home to come back to. But I'm gonna take a shower. I'm probably gonna get sweaty again after that, but I am just disgusted. And we're gonna meet back up in about 40 minutes. So I'm gonna get to it. IKEA! We just finished shopping through IKEA. The rest of our party is...
We don't know where they are.
We lost them, honestly. Yeah. But we all came to just make our rooms a little more roomier while we're here, because right now they're giving beige bland. But we are up in the IKEA dining hall, and it's got a lot of options, so we're ready for a little bite to eat. Yes, and then
we'll find out.
Mango mini pancakes. Those look so cute. Yum! How excited are you? Garlic toast. I don't know what these flavors are, but they look so delicious. Coffee bar. But not the sprinkle of peas on top.
Frozen peas.
So we're actually just trapped at IKEA. But at least there's plants. And you could water them, it's raining. But we're starving. Great success!
Yes.
Yep, so now we're not stranded.
Actually, the only natural thing they will get, and the rest is falling, is also mine. Because the rest will be artificial.
Honestly, it's kind of glamorous looking. In the turn of events, our two taxis were actually the same taxi. And there's a monsoon.
Or you can go now,
And
one
someone
can
comes
come
back.
so that we really know that it's coming.
Dan, do you want to go? Because you can kind of understand.
Nightmare material.
Bye. Bye, guys. We'll see ya. Maybe. We've been left on the island, the IKEA island. Woo! You return. Get a lamp?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I did. I got two.